welcome to my channel. Today we have an unboxing from Lilyplants on Etsy. First item is a variegated string of pearls. We also have a variegated string of hearts. So I ordered this package in early February. Took about 6 days to receive, which I think was a pretty good turnaround. Items came packaged pretty well in newspaper, purple tissue paper, and lots of paper towels, as you can see. Here we have the variegated string of pearls. This will be my first variegated version, so I'm really excited to watch these babies grow. Here we have the variegated string of hearts. Also my first string of hearts. So overall, I'd say I'm pretty pleased with this order. They were protected pretty well during delivery. Well, if you enjoyed this unboxing video, please do subscribe. I will be posting an update on the status of these plants very shortly. So thanks for stopping by.